Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making a Great Depression era recipe, dandelion greens and beans. During the Great Depression, many families struggled to make ends meet and put food on the table. Dandelions and beans were two foods that became popular during this time as they were readily available and inexpensive. The ingredients are 1 bunch of dandelion greens, rinsed well, 1 cup of cooked beans, 1 small red onion diced, a half a cup of a red bell pepper diced, 1 or 2 mushrooms sliced, salt and pepper to taste. I'm taking my rinsed dandelion greens and I'm going to chop them in pieces. And these I rinsed and washed really well because they had quite a bit of sand in them. So now I'm just going to pile them some up at a time and just give it a cutting. Just slice them up. Put them in my bowl. And you have to make sure you rinse them soak them and rinse them really well because they have dirt. A lot of times these had dirt, and sometimes you could even find an insect. Dandelions, often considered a weed, were actually a nutritious and versatile food source. The leaves could be used in salads or cooked like spinach, while the roots could be roasted and used as a coffee substitute. I cut the leaves up and now it's ready to be put in the skillet, but as you could see, it doesn't matter how you cut the greens. The dandelions, you just could cut it to any way you'd like. I put a little bit of olive oil in my pan, and now I have the heat to medium, and now I'm going to add my onions that I diced, my red pepper that I diced, and my mushrooms that I sliced. And now I'm just going to cook this a while till it gets soft. Everything has to get soft. You could add salt and pepper to this, but Grandpa and I don't use salt, so I'm just going to use some pepper. This smells so good. And if you don't like mushrooms, you could eliminate the mushrooms. The peppers, onions, and mushrooms are soft now, and I cooked it for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to add my dandelion greens. Now the dandelion greens will wilt. It looks like a lot, but they'll wilt down. You could see how much the dandelion greens wilted down. The greens always look like a lot, but then they get wilted down, so. And now I'm making sure everything's mixed up together. The mushrooms, the onions, and the peppers. I cooked this for 15 minutes and now I'm going to add my cannellini beans. You could add any beans that you like, navy beans or whatever, but Grandpa and I like these beans. And beans were also a staple during the Great Depression. They were cheap and could be used in a variety of dishes such as stews, casseroles, or even baked goods. So this is a very, very healthy meal. This took a total of 30 minutes to cook. Look how nice it looks on the plate. This is a very easy meal to make. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. The dandelion leaves have a bitter and tangy flavor. The mushrooms are nice and the beans are nice, very flavorful. You did a superb job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. Glad you like it. And this is very healthy for you.
That's what I'm told. It's a very healthy meal.